This is the brand new ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 OmniCyclone. Now, I know we just recently did a deep dive into a mid-range powerhouse, but this is a true flagship robot vacuum. If you've been holding out on getting a robot vacuum that generally does it all, including a couple of things that you probably didn't even know that you needed, this is the one that might finally make you retire that old robot vacuum that you've been nursing back to life over the last couple of years. I want to thank ECOVACS for sponsoring this video and sending out the X12 OmniCyclone. But before we get too far into this, I want you to jump into the comments and let me know what robot vacuum you currently have and what's your favorite feature, because I think this probably does it and probably does it even better than that. So let's take a look. If your current robot vacuum is more than a couple years old, it probably claims to have a mop feature, but that's probably being a little bit too generous, since it's probably just dragging a damp cloth along your floor. And even in some of the newer spinning mop pads, sometimes they spread messes more than they actually clean them up. But with the X12, you actually have the new Osmo Roller 3.0 system, a spinning mop roller that's significantly larger than we got on the previous generation, meaning that it covers a lot more ground with one single pass. But the real magic is the pressurized self-washing. It has 16 nozzles that constantly blast the roller with clean water while it's moving and mopping your floors. It's essentially power washing the floor while it's squeegeeing out the dirty water into an internal gray tank, so that you're never just moving dirty water from point A to point B across your floors. It also means that you can mop up actual spills from your floor, something that you definitely can't do with robot vacuums that feature spinning mop pads. When I first unboxed this unit, I had to do a little bit of a double take because I noticed that there are two nozzles on the front of the unit, and I really wasn't sure what they were used for until I jumped into the user manual to see how they were. But it actually turns out to be one of the coolest features that's built into this robot vacuum, and definitely something that I haven't seen on any other device that I've used before. ECOVACS is calling this feature FocusJet, and in combination with the infrared stain detection and the AI cameras, the X12 can actually see those stubborn dried-on messes. Instead of just running over them, it fires out high-pressure cross-water jets at the stain so that they can break down before the mop even touches it. I'd equate this to pre-rinsing your dishes in the sink before putting them into the dishwasher, just to make sure that they're completely clean once it's done. Having this feature will definitely make sure that your floors are cleaner than they ever were before. And for those of you with mixed floors, hard tiles, hardwood floors, or even carpets and rugs, you're gonna love the new Smart Mop cover. Not only does the mop lift 15 millimeters when it detects that it's going over carpets or rugs, but a physical cover actually snaps over the mop head to guarantee that your rugs stay completely dry. This is a massive improvement over older systems where the damp mop might actually still make contact with your rugs or carpets, leaving them a little bit damp. I'm probably not the only one that usually gets annoyed with my kids when in the wintertime they come home with wet shoes and get the rugs and the carpets soaking wet. At least with the X12, you know you have a robot vacuum that's not going to be doing the same. And then, of course, the mop roller does have ECOVACS's True Edge 3.0 system, which allows the mop to extend out of the body of the robot vacuum to clean the very edges of the room and the baseboards. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that does the best coverage possible for your floors, one that can get all the way up onto the edges of the rooms and into the corners, this is definitely the one to beat. Now, I do think we need to take a minute to talk about numbers. And I promise I'm not going to get too deep into the details here, but suction power in robot vacuums is probably one of the most important specs to be aware of. It's really what defines high-end vacuums and separates them out from the competition with the mid-range and the low-end devices. And suction power has been climbing very fast over the last couple of years, but the X12 has one of the highest on the markets at 22,000 pascals of suction power with its blast airflow systems. And for context, high-end robot vacuums, even just a couple years ago, were hovering around 8,000 to 10,000 suction powers, which means the X12 OmniCyclone is a huge improvement over high-end robot vacuums from just a year ago, but also against other devices that are currently on the market. Now, it's one thing to have a lot of suction power, but it's another to be choked up. But with the Zero Tangle 4.0 system, with this unit, they've redesigned the airflow so that hair literally is pulled into the robot vacuum rather than getting stuck on the roller brush as it's cleaning your floors. It's literally pulled by one side and then stuck straight into the dustbin rather than getting tangled around the roller brushes. To accomplish this, the system uses a high-efficiency motor to pull significantly more air through the entire system, ensuring that everything from the fine dust to large debris is captured without maintenance headaches. If you're someone who already owns a robot vacuum, you know how annoying that can be. So to see how this thing handles hair and honestly takes away that maintenance task is definitely a great selling point. Now, you might recall that this isn't the first OmniCyclone robot vacuum that I've actually tested. They introduced the OmniCyclone line last year, which the name refers to the bagless docking station system with its PureCyclone 2.0 multi-stage filtration system that doesn't require those disposable vacuum bags, which honestly is a huge win for your wallet since you're not going to have to replace those vacuum bags every other month or so, which over the course of the lifetime of your robot vacuum is definitely going to add up. Just pull off the canister from the base station, empty it into the trash can, and then just put it back, just like you would on a canister from a stick vacuum that you probably already have in your house. The base station also includes self-cleaning maintenance as well. It washes the mop with hot water at 75 degrees Celsius, dries it with hot air so that you don't get any odors or bacteria buildup, and even has a quick clean scraping ring to keep the dock itself from getting gunked up. And then there's Power Boost Charging Plus, which is honestly one of my favorite features that you get on ECOVACS robot vacuums. This thing charges incredibly fast, giving the unit about a 13% charge in just 3 minutes every time that it goes back to the base station to wash the roller mop, so that it can cover up to 1,000 square meters without having any long charging periods. I've had some robot vacuums that take up to an hour or two for a full charge, which can be incredibly annoying when it's done with, say, 70% of the job, and then you have to wait an hour for it to charge up before it completes the cleaning task. Oh, and there's one other feature with the vacuum itself that I almost forgot to mention, TruePass 3.0. If your current robot vacuum gets stuck on thresholds or any transition strips between rooms, you're gonna love the X12 with this feature. Simply just climbs over anything that's in its path. For people like me who live in an older house that has different types of floors between rooms and things aren't always level, this thing climbs over everything and has never gotten stuck. Well, as you can see, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 OmniCyclone is clearly pushing the boundaries of what we really should expect from a flagship robot vacuum and what it can do. It also fixes a lot of the common pain points that other robot vacuums really seem to struggle with, like tangled hair, wet carpets, and those annoying charge pauses right in the middle of the cleaning cycle. And it's also designed for those who want the maximum cleaning results with the minimum effort for maintenance. ECOVACS also has the X12 Pro Omni, but it trades in that Cyclone canister in the base station for a traditional dust bag base station, so it's really up to you which device you buy. And that's gonna do it. Be sure to leave a comment and let me know what you think about the ECOVACS OmniCyclone below, and if you think it's gonna be the robot vacuum that can finally clean your house. Thank you guys so much for watching, and of course, thanks to ECOVACS for sponsoring this video. I'll catch you in the next one.